Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm playing Sky Factory again, and in the last video I got all these four trees, and I've set them up, and they're just here. So yeah, and I've got the stuff that I need here, so I'm just going to use this. That should be good. And now, with the osmium bars that I got from the last one, last time, I'm going to make something that I should be able to make. Right, this, and this, yep. This metallurgic infuser. I'm going to place it here so it gets power. And just put some redstone in it. And then I'm going to put some osmium bars in it to make these basic control circuits. And yeah. And then I put I put that in there so I could make some steel, which yeah, I now have. Now I'm going to get steel box from that, and just oh yeah, no. I need to grab these and make a thing. I need this so I can make a thing, yeah, something with this steel to make the steel casing, which I can now make oh, I thought that was it. Maybe okay, I forgot how to make it. Redstone. Now I've got this energized smelter, which will, like, if I grab this, it smelts, but it doesn't need the coal. And it's just a furnace, but without the coal. So then some steel casings, more of them. Then in here, instead of putting osmium, I'll just have more of that. Instead of putting osmium, I'm going to put iron to make this enriched alloy, which I'm pretty sure I need 2 of. I know, so yeah, 2 here. Steel casing. Right. Never mind, I'll just search it up because I don't know the recipe. Okay, yep. And now I got this crusher, which I can also place here and get I'm pretty sure seeds should work. Some seeds, stick them in there, and then that will make something that I need. I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. Yet 2 biofuel, which I need 4 of. For biofuel. Brown mulch. I set that there. Dun, 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 dun. Yellow mulch. This brown mulch has 142% growth rate and 140% drop chance. This has 166% growth rate and 150% drop chance. So it would be good to add them here, but that would be kind of hard. And so down here, so on these things, some of them need like ambers and stuff. I am going to put an energized smelter down there to do that. And then I'm going to need some of this for and now I set this here. 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm pretty sure that's how it's supposed to go. I don't know, maybe it was the other way around. Yep, it was the other way around. Speed upgrades. And I can put these in, well, like, in here. And now it'll go faster. And then I'm pretty sure there is also another upgrade that I can make, which I know how to make, but it's just I need the things for it. Pulverized gold in here, 2 like that and 2 like that, to make an energy upgrade that I can put here, and I can put 8 of these in each thing, and I'm pretty sure it makes it go a lot faster and stuff. So I'll just make some of these, well, 7 of these, because that's the amount that can go in. Oh, but it's using a lot of, like it's using power. So it's going slow, and that's why I need the energy upgrades so that it doesn't go slower because of the other upgrades. Or, yeah. Oh, this increases the capacity of energy in it. And yeah. These. Put that in there. 6 out of 8. 8 out of 8. And then once that finishes, it should go all the way up, and then it should go like really fast. Once that fills up, I'll put some more stuff in it. And I'm just going to make some of these energy upgrades and put them in here. Just because now it can do that. And now I can make 2 more. Oh no, yeah, 2 more. The gold in the center, not the other thing. And now I've got 2 more, which I can then put in here to help its energy. It now has 6 out of 8 and has a lot of energy. And then I'm going to need to put some osmium in there. Look how fast it's going. Like, that's basically the max speed. And it's just like really good. Two more energy upgrades for this. Stick them in here. And then this has 80 KRF or whatever, the same as this. And it just goes way faster now. Which I should probably also add to this one, which is why I make the osmium dust. Now I get 2 more, like that. So speed is 4 out of 8, now it's 6 out of 8. And I'll just put some more of this in, and it's gonna go way faster. About 5.6, 2 times faster. And then I'll just get these here and these here, and with these last 2 it'll be 10 times faster. and it's going really fast. So and now I'll just take these because there's a lot of them and I don't need too many. Put this here, those there, and then I need one more or 18 more if you just decide for some reason. Or because that was the only amount I could take out. And then on this energized smelter, I can put this speed upgrades in, and then I'll put the energy upgrades in. And then I am going to get some tin amber, I guess. And once the energy upgrades have been finished, I will put these in, and that will just and they smelt really fast. So down here, I'm going to get the ones that are like iron and stuff, like iron. Once they package, it's going to go down into an energized smelter, which has power and all of the speed and energy upgrades, and it's going to turn it straight into iron, and then it's going to put them into this chest. So yeah, that's basically what I'm going to do with it. That will be all for this video. Goodbye.